guys, welcome to Kadai Swad cooking channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make stuffed bindi. So let's have a quick walk through the ingredients. Salt, coriander powder, basin flour, bindi, green chili, jeera powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, chili powder and oil. Firstly, let's take bindi, cut the edges and slit it. Let's slit all the bindis. Let's take frying pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 green chili. Let's fry it. Add 2 tablespoons of basin flour. Let's roast it well for 2 minutes. Now it is done, so let's transfer this to plate. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Salt to taste. Let's mix it. Now let's take the bindi and stuff the masala. Let's do stuffing for all the bindis. Let's take frying pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat for some time. Now let's add the stuffed bindi. Sprinkle water on top of it. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's open the lid. Now it is almost done, so let's mix it. Guys, now the tasty stuffed bindi is ready to serve. Do try it. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.